welcome back to Review Wednesday with Vishali, and today I have something really special. And also, since this video is coming after Holi, so I thought to just do something related to post Holi hair care. Also, I know I have been MIA with and not been keeping up with my Review Wednesday from past 2 weeks, and that is because I was doing home shifting, and which is a real big headache. Home shifting is a very big deal to shift all the things and to manage all the things. Abhi bhi like still half of the things haven't been managed. It's all messed up and all. Still we have to do it, and I wasn't able to shoot and give you guys update for any product review or anything. So sorry for that, but now I'm back and we'll continue. So I've recently bought this product from Wishcare. So Wishcare, we all know, is a cruelty-free and a vegan brand, which is a very big yay and a big thumbs up to them, that they are cruelty-free and they don't harm any animals throughout their testing and all that stuff. So I bought this oil, and this one is 100% pure Moroccan argan oil. So that's how the product looks like, and you can already see how much of the product I have used till now in a week already. So firstly, let's talk about the benefits of the argan oil. What is argan and what is argan oil meant for, and what are its benefits? So argan oil basically comes from the Moroccan argan tree, which is only found in Morocco, okay? And it is extremely rich and beneficial in nutrients, and it has the fatty acids, vitamin A and vitamin E, which we all know vitamin E is how good vitamin E is for your skin and for your hair as well. So this one says it has the properties which makes it particularly beneficial for hair and skin, which makes it a popular cosmetic choice for many celebrities. Argan oil is also known as liquid gold because of its wide application as skin moisturizer, hair conditioner, sleek and shine styling, anti-aging, dry skin conditioning, anti-acne, nail treatment, foot, hand treatment, lip moisture, and many more in just one bottle. So yeah, those are the benefits of the argan oil. And this one, if I talk about from the Wishcare, this is the 100% pure cold pressed argan oil, which we all know is now very beneficial. We should use 100% pure cold pressed oils, okay? So you all know that I'm an oily skin person, and this one is says also that you can oily skin can also benefit from argan oil, as it classifies as non-comedogenic, which is the lightest oil available. So yeah, for the all the oily people out there, you can even use this. And for the dry skin people, this is your thing. You need to have this. If you are a dry skin person, then you definitely need to have this oil. This one absorbs really quickly. Like, it doesn't leave you that stickiness. If you apply it on the face, you won't feel any stickiness or oiliness out there, because it will going to absorb into your skin very nicely and very quickly. And you don't need a full lot of drops of it. You just need a good 1 or 2 drops of it and you will be sorted. So recently I was very much suffering from my hair, and like my hair was not doing justice at all to me. By using different kind of shampoos, different kind of conditioner, serums, masks, whatnot, I've tried many things, and even the oils for that matter. And some oils do work, and I'm like my hair was doing really bad. I'm having a great hair fall, a lot of frizziness is there, but now you can already see my hair is feeling a lot more much better and a lot more healthier. You can see the texture also. I have the curly hairs, and they are doing really great nowadays. I'm using this oil alone also, and obviously I'm mixing it with some other oils as well, like say coconut oil. You can mix with it any oil, the coconut oil, almond oil, and the castor oil. So I generally mix my oils, then apply it on my hair. But I'm like, for testing this, I'm using this alone as well, but in a week, like once I mix with some other oils as well to get the benefits from all the oils out there. So now let's talk about the packaging of it. And the packaging is like very basic and classy, and a very nice bottle. It's a basic normal plastic bottle. It has a click cap on top, so it has a very basic nozzle on top, and it is not very thick oil. You can see the consistency. It is not a lot of thick oil, so it will definitely going to act very good on your face as well. After Holi, if you play with colors, waters and whatnot, then you need this oil. Definitely you need to take care for your hair with this oil. If you have played Holi really bad, then you should apply it, and you will get all the nourishment back into your hair after all those chemicals and all those colors. They have this very beautiful sticker going on with the name of the brand on top and the details about what oil it is, and then they have all the details about Wishcare Argan Oil, that what does it has, what does it do and all that stuff. Then they have also direction up right here, and they also have the pricing going on over here. Here is the pricing. So this one cost you for rupees 1000 rupees for 100 ml bottle. Now you must be wondering that 100 ml bottle, like only this much size, for 1000 rupees, is it worth it or not? So I would love to say that it is completely and totally worth it. For 1000 rupees, if you are having this 100 ml bottle, you don't need a lot of oil. Like when you need some oil for your hair oiling and all that stuff, you take a lot of oil and do the chumpy and all that. You just need like 4 to 5 drops of this oil, and you need to massage it onto your scalp really well. And like 1 drop here, then massage it, then 1 drop here, massage, 2 drop here, 3rd drop, massage, 4th, 5th and 6th, maybe 6 drops, and that's it. You will be sorted with 6 drops of this oil, and your hair will be very nice. And if you want to put it into your ends, you can even put this like as a leave-in conditioner. Like if you have the damp hair, just take 2 or 3 drops of this oil and just massage it into your hand after you have your damp hair, and just swirl your fingers like a serum or conditioner, and then you can just leave it so that you won't have any frizziness downside. But you don't need to apply it on your scalp after wash. You need to only apply it towards your ends, like from here towards your ends. That's it. So I'll just show you. That's a lot of drops. So if I rub it in my hand, you can see how much oil I have right now in my hand. That is it that you need for your hair. If you need a lot of oil into your hair for the chumpy, then you can mix with other oils, and just 4 to 5 drops of this oil with other oils, and you can give it a good chumpy to your hair and then wash off. And also this one comes with this another cap, and this one has this the tooth cap. So you can take out this cap, put this comb cap, and you can directly put it all over your scalp like so. Like you have to turn it downwards, then you can apply. So it will, while combing, you can get the oil, the nourishment and all that stuff very easily. So this caps also works really well, and you can see how it comes. That's it. So that's how the caps works like. So now what are the pros and cons of this bottle, this argan oil? If I say about pros, there are many pros which I've already told you, which is it is very nourishing for your hair. Very it is gentle, and it will give you all the it works as the anti-frizz, and also it will work as your leave-in conditioner with some few drops. You can use this very little amount, which is a very good part, that you don't have to use it a lot of amount to get the benefits of argan oil. You just need to have some few drops of it. And if I say about the cons, for now actually I don't see any cons of this. So I'll leave the link for this Wishcare Argan Oil in the description box below, where you can buy it directly from. So yeah, that is it. These are all the good benefits of this argan oil from Wish Care. So I hope you all like this video, and if you all like it, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and also do follow me on my Instagram. I'll keep the link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.